So now let's see how we can utilize ruler and straighten using ruler inside a Photopea. So to do that, around over here on the left hand side, you can simply go around and click on the eyedropper tool and you get the ruler as an option, as you can see right here. If I were to click and drag, then you can see that you get the width and height right here, just like this, as I click and drag around the ruler right here. And you can also go around and utilize custom units right here. Let's say, for example, per pixel length right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to set it as 100 and then set the name as unit name right here. So apart from that, with the ruler, what you can also do is straighten out slanted images like this. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around and draw across this line of bricks right here and then click on straighten layer. Then what happens is that it simply straightens out the layer just like this as well using the ruler. Then you can go ahead and crop out the section right here. So let's just go around and crop this out and then crop this out right here. So let's just go around, crop it out from the bottom right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around over here, drag it out from around over here, just like this as well, and then go around over here, press enter. Then you got a straightened out version of this particular image, as you can see right there. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize ruler and straighten the object using ruler inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.